This is an RB26. And this is my RB26.
Holy shit. Holy.
Last time we pulled my RB26 out of my GT-R, and today we're going to strip it down to find out what went wrong. The hot side and the cold side are still on the engine, so we're going to have to tackle this one side at a time. So previously I was running these are HKS GTSS's, and they are made by Garrett. They also come with HKS actuators. And this setup here is usually good for about 500-ish horsepower. Oh my god, look at this huge mess. I need to keep this in one piece. I'm gonna forget. I remember these being a little bit annoying to get out. Maybe more so when it was in the car. Pretty easy. What the hell is it still connected to? No, there we go. Oh, yeah. And just like when you do your steering wheel, you want to just loosen it enough to the point where it's hanging on by a few threads, because you just don't want the turbo to drop all the way. Oh, there it goes. And, oh shit, I left a bolt. Fuck. Whew. It's a coming. Turbo is out. This POV is horrible. After doing the same thing to the front turbo, we finally are done with the exhaust side of the engine. Right now, everything is off, and we can actually take a look inside the exhaust ports. And we were under the assumption that it was cylinder 6 that had bad piston rings. And as you can see, look at all the oil from blow-by. That's what a normal one looks like. That's where I had the issue. RB26 oil filter removal trick. Step 1, remove engine. Before we cross over to the intake side, we're going to tackle the front of the engine and the camshafts. Despite my turbos, cam gears, and camshafts being installed less than 10,000 kilometers ago, I'm opting to sell them and replace everything with fresh parts for my new setup. There we go, and we have cams. Taking out the camshafts is a very slow process that you have to do in a certain order to avoid too much tension on specific cam caps. After about 30 minutes of finagling, my Tomy camshafts are finally out. After a small intermission, I returned to finish up what I started. Admittedly, I've never done the intake side before in my GT-R, but with the engine out, it was a perfect time to learn. Okay, so this right here is actually one of my favorite part about RBs. These are individual throttle bodies. You have 3 pairs of 2, and I think that they're called butterfly valves because they look like butterfly wings since they're a pair. They're right before the engine, and they give really, really good response. And I also love how my HKS gasket is just burnt in right there, perma HKS. With the plenum and the throttle bodies out of the way, we can now move on to the final bits before we take off the head. Just like the exhaust side, I tried to reassemble everything I just took off before I put it on the shelf, just so I have a reference on where things go when I eventually have to put it back on the car. Okay, so all the shims and buckets are over here, and now we can finally tackle, I don't know if you can see it, but right there is one of the head bolts. Oh, there we go. There's my head. There's my head. So my issue was that cylinder 6, the piston rings were a little bit shot. You can tell this one has oil. Well, I mean, they all have oil, but this one is especially dirty. So basically right now, the engine is top dead center. So cylinder 1 and cylinder 6 are going to be at the very, very top of their stroke. What I'm going to do is I'm going to rotate it over until we can get cylinder 6 to go down. Basically, we want it at the bottom of the stroke, or when these two are at the very, very top, which looks like right there. Okay, yeah. A little bit of damage right there. You see that white mark? Oh. We have a line here too. Oh, I see what people are talking about. My fingernail is slightly catching on it. Yeah, I do feel it. Surprisingly, I actually don't think this is that bad. Like, I'm not an expert, but people say if your fingernail catches on it, then it's probably as of right now, I'd say very slightly. That one is probably the worst one. The other ones look kind of okay. So overall, I'm not really too worried about the condition of this block. I'll let the machine shop do its thing. After using a very controversial technique to remove the crank pulley, I'm replacing this by the way, so really don't do this. We flip over the engine to take off the oil pan, which is also the front differential. There's only the oil pickup and a few covers left until we finally reach the crankshaft and the rods. It does seem a little stuck, so maybe I can give it... There we go. Oh, there we go. My first piston ever pulled. Oh shit, there's oil. Alright. Let's do number 6. So this piston is supposed to be the damaged one. Let me put that there. And I'm wondering how it looks like. Let me get it out. Oh, that one came out easy. Ooh. Whoa, what the fuck? Holy fucking shit. This piston is in pieces. Like... Oh my god. Can you guys see that in my hand? This piston is literally in fucking pieces. And that was riding up against my cylinder walls this whole time. What the fuck? So this is a normal piston. That was my engine in cylinder 6. What the hell? It is just completely gone. There's just more shards coming off of it. After seeing this, my heart pretty much dropped. I wanted to take out all the other pistons and rods to take another look at the cylinder walls again, and what I thought was only piston rings ended up being much worse. I quickly took out the crank to inspect it, and luckily it seemed salvageable. Keep in mind that I'm not a professional or anything close to it when I say that, so my next step was packing up the block to have the machine shop give a second opinion. Luckily, I had some friends come over to help me load it up.
Not too bad.
Walk my block, my pet block. You want to move it?
Yeah, take it.
Walk out with your block out.
What do you mean? Am I just
What,
get in
you
there.
want me to be on
I
camera?
want you to be on camera. I want you to just look at everything. Don't mind the mess.
What the hell is that? That's your confidence?
That's just the 6-speed, or yeah, it's just the trans itself. I'm YouTubing here.
I'm driving this today?
Yeah. But you gotta, I don't know, you want to mount your camera, or how do you pause this thing real quick? Now you have to promise me something though.
What? You have to do the face?
You have to beat it. You have to be on this car.
I might put it into a wall.
No, you got this, man. I believe in you. At least take it to 7K revs.
7K? I might have been doing 8 a while ago.
Excellent. This is true. I drive back here all the time.
There's a speed camera.
Yeah, there should be a speed camera. Once you get past it, though.
We might be taking local.
I mean,
here's okay up to the camera.
you should still send it anyway, right?
So where's the camera?
I think it's to the right. You'll just see that stupid little
It's like this straightaway.
yeah, it's that light green box.
I mean, we're still doing the speed limit anyway. We would never make it.
Yeah, sure. Those guys behind us are doing it too. But there should be a box to the right.
Oh, I see the box.
Oh yeah, there.
I need to do the math in my
So-
head. I don't know what the kilometers are. Whose car is that? Is that Peter's car?
It's probably Peter's car with the pop-up.
Camera, bro!
He used us as a buffer.
I'm not gonna lie, he fucked you up.
Oh yeah, for sure.
What's that, 500 horsepower?
Probably. Downpipe tune, you already know.
Does he want it? On the straight right here?
Maybe. 3, 2, 1.
Dude, that car is fucking quick for being a boat.
Yeah, boy. What? 380 something? Were you launching at like 2-ish or 3-ish?
No, I was launching at 4.
Oh shit, hell yeah.
The garage is like so empty without the block here. There she is. Look at it. It's beautiful. It's like a cocoon. So I'm going to end the video here. Next time we find out what the machine shop says. Bye.